Hey, look who showed up. Come on in. Empires and Cocktail is still open for business. We wouldn't want to deprive you of any of your St. Patty's Day fun, but before we get to that, we have to celebrate our unending consistency with a victory shot. Today's shot is from Manifest Distillery right here in Jacksonville. Support local. Today's drink is the Red Roy. We'll add a sugar cube and 4 dashes of black walnut bitters and 3 ounces of Bushmills Red Bush Irish whiskey. But first, we gotta have ourselves a shot. Red is my favorite color. And that's the Red Roy. Today's word of wisdom is used. Don't allow yourself to be used. There will be many times that you will lend a helping hand and they will take everything past the elbow simply because it's within reach. But more importantly, you also shouldn't use them. Then you are no different than they are. Are we done yet?
Yep.
Go edit this damn thing already. Make me a double in fashion while you're at it. God, wash my car and wax it while you're at it. Jeez. Consistency. Funny. All right. Empires and Cocktail is still open for business.